The 2 Tires Guide to the Michelin City Grip 2. If you ride a scooter, whether it be a 125cc commuter or a big 500cc maxi scoot, Michelin City Grip 2 should be on your radar. The soft carcass on these tires helps them warm up quickly. The tire tread contains sipes, small grooves designed to effectively channel water away from the tire, meaning it can find grip even in torrential rain. Michelin's signature wet weather grip and feel are in abundance. It's no surprise then that these are popular with delivery riders, because they work so well. They're mud and snow rated, which is a legal requirement in winter in some European countries, and helps back up that these tires really are the do-it-all choice for anyone riding all year around. If we had to pick one weakness of this tire, it's the mileage returned. Expect to see around 3,000 miles from a rear. Mind you, that's a lot of commuting. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.